Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, quick and easy snacks. Today we're doing a chicken nugget Parmesan. All you need for this, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, a small handful of Parmesan cheese, and a couple of chicken nuggets. Once you got the sauce warmed up and the nuggets warmed up, sprinkle the cheese on top, and then you are all set and good to go to make it broily on top in the oven or with a torch. And now, for those of you that love the sound of sizzling cheese, here we go. And that, my friends, is how you take chicken nuggets, a little bit of cheese, and a touch of sauce, and make a delicious mini gourmet snack. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.
Do it yourself gourmet, folks. See you next time.